I survived the whirlwind of life while trying to burn belly fat and create a routine that I could actually stick to. I spent countless hours experimenting with different exercises and routines, and through perseverance, I built a strategy that truly worked for me. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. My daily routine started with a morning kick of energy. I incorporated targeted exercises like leg raises, Russian twists, and mountain climbers into my mornings. Each exercise was carefully chosen to burn belly fat and build core strength. At night, I'd wind down with a quick circuit of bicycle crunches and side planks. This consistency was challenging at first, but I saved my energy for the journey, knowing that the results would come. I got stronger, both physically and mentally, as I committed to this routine. The physical changes were incredible. My belly fat reduced noticeably, and my core became more defined. Mentally, the process empowered me, boosting my confidence and resilience. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. The key to success was tracking my progress. By keeping a fitness journal and noting my improvements, I stayed motivated and on track. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Stay consistent, track your progress, and celebrate each milestone. The journey to burning belly fat and building a healthier routine is worth every step.